Yo, hello, welcome back to the video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix if your Instagram is not sending messages or not receiving on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, guys, what you need to do is just here open up settings app on your device and scroll it down here and tap on general. And from here, what you need to do is just scroll it down here and tap on background app refresh. And here what you need to do is just here you have to turn the toggle off for the Instagram from here in case it's turned on. So you have to turn this off and then go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just go for the second step. For that, what you need to do is just here open up App Store, and from here you have to search for the Instagram, and here check whether you have an updated version of Instagram. If any update is available, then what you need to do is just up to date your Instagram app. Like here it's showing the update, so you have to update your app from here and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then go for the next method. For that, again open up here settings app on your device and then tap here on general and scroll it down here and tap on iPhone storage. And from here what you need to do is just you have to offload your Instagram app and then turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds and then reinstall it again, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if all of these tricks doesn't work for you, then go for the last and final method. For that, what you need to do is just you have to make sure that you have latest software version here. If any update is available here like this, you have to up to date your device to the latest version and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. Or what you need to do is just hard reboot your device by press or releasing the combination of the keys according to your device, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.